Hello and welcome to the 2018 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Broughton Primary from Westmoreland up against Naggo Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Tony K. Dawkins, and the action begins right now. Time now for section 1 of the competition, where both teams will be asked questions alternately with 10 seconds to answer and 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Naggo Primary won. They decided to play first. So Naggo, we begin with you in Bible knowledge. Which prophet saw a vision by the river Chebar or Kibar?
Elijah.
That's incorrect. It's Ezekiel. Broughton Bible knowledge. Which prophet was the son of Hilkiah?
Jeremiah.
That's correct. Now go ahead, science. What point is located in the middle of a first-class lever?
Fulcrum.
Or pivot, that's correct. Broughton science. What point is located in the middle of a third-class lever?
Effort.
That's correct. Now go ahead, international affairs. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Panama.
That's correct. Broughton International Affairs, visual for you as well. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Cayman.
That's correct. Now go ahead, English language. Complete the English proverb. Doubt is the beginning
Of disappointment.
That's incorrect. Not the end of wisdom. Broughton English language. Complete the English proverb. Enough is as
Good as a feast. Good as a feast.
That's correct. Now go ahead, theatre and cinema. It's a visual question. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Jeff Franklin.
That's incorrect. He's Robert Pattinson. Broughton theatre and cinema. Visual as well. Look at the monitor and identify this actor.
Johnny Depp.
That's incorrect. He's Taylor Lautner. General knowledge for you. Now go ahead. In which country can you find the Gobi Desert?
Africa. No. Africa. China.
That's incorrect. It's China. Broughton, general knowledge. In which continent can you find the Mojave Desert?
Asia.
That's incorrect. It's North America. Now go ahead, social studies. Which climate has the heaviest precipitation?
Equatorial.
That's incorrect. It's tropical. Broughton, social studies. Which climate covers the largest portion of the earth?
Temperate.
That is correct. Now go ahead, music. What's the stage name of the Canadian singer Abel Tesfaye?
Drake.
That's incorrect. It's The Weeknd. Broughton music. What's the stage name of the American singer Peter Hernandez?
Justin Bieber.
That's incorrect. It's Bruno Mars. Now go ahead, mathematics. What's the value of 16.78 multiplied by 10,000?
167,800.
That is correct. Broughton mathematics. What's the value of 13.192 multiplied by 10,000?
131920.
That is correct. Sports is a visual question for you. Now go ahead, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Deandra Dutton.
That's incorrect. It's Brittany Cooper. Broughton sports, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Shemaine Campbell.
That's incorrect. It's Kecia Knight, West Indies women's T20 cricketer. And that brings us to the end of section 1 with Naggo Primary, I believe, on 3 points, Broughton Primary on 6 points. Now, before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip for the kids from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, a calendar is a great way to plan your day. It'll be an easier way to schedule your study and homework activities. It can also help you to study in blocks and devote time to different subjects. Set up a calendar on your phone or computer and ensure you stick to it. Stay with us, the Junior Challenge Face-Off is up next.